Here's a lifting kit for a Yamaha. This is going to be used on a 2020 150 show. I was looking at buying these kits for my motor, and they're super expensive. eBay I found for like 150, and then Amazon, the Marine Tech has the adapter for 100, and then the ring for 50. This is just like generic stuff. This is Metal Block is the brand, and this was 55 bucks. This is just some other generic eye lifting brand. The ring, it comes with a puller also for your flywheel. That was 19 bucks. So you can see, paid 19 for that, which is all that stuff there. And then the adapter ring, which is there. And it seems like it's good quality. Says it holds 1,000 pounds, so that's more than enough. I believe up to a 300 or 350 horsepower. So if you're looking to get one of these kits to lift your engine, save yourself about 75 bucks and just kind of piece it together yourself. Anyways, hopefully that helps you guys out. To install this, you're just going to need a 5/16 Allen wrench head there, and you're just going to line up your holes on your adapter plate to the flywheel holes. And then next you have your eye-ring adapter that goes right into this. Until it bottoms out. And last, your eye-ring itself goes in.